Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I think what we discussed in our last video, we kept this sticky kind of a note. So just once you click, and then you probably can see the drop down. And what I see right now, I saw the setup of the container layout of the RG of database. It's set up as row. I think I would like to change it to align to parent so that I'll do something which so that it look nice. Yep. So that's it's nice, and I think for this icon, which is on the left, I'll center, and I'll group it, and I'll say group in a row container, and then I say group RG database, and then I will say icons. These are feature, right? Icons feature, so that I can remember that these are for feature. And I also stretch, like I'll add a space between, so that they remain far stretched from each other, and I'll keep it center. And I think for this group, I think I don't want the minimum height should be uh, 40. I think I'll keep it minimum height should be 10, so that whatever there in the icon that takes minimum height. For width, I think I'll stick to this so that it will stretch to the group height, so that it doesn't remain at the width level. It always stays there. And I'll name this icon as sticky note, so that I can recall it. And one thing I think I would like to do, I'll keep this sticky note and convert it to a reusable element. And I say sticky note, and that is for database. Uh, I'll create this one. Yep. And for the parent group, I think I'll keep it the default will builder width to 20, minimum height to 20, or probably let's say 10 and 10. Yep. And then there is no background, nothing. And then now what I'll do, I'll try to probably try to open a group, probably I would say not a group. Basically, I think pop up is fine. I think not a pop up. I would say group focus. I'll create one group focus. This will attach to the icon sticky notes like this. It's fine. From top, I think I'll add say 6, so that it gives us nice breathing space. And for the layout, I think instead of 280, I would choose 240, uh, or probably 260. Yeah, that's fine. And then I'll choose the minimum height to 160. Yep, that's it. So it's look like a card or something. And then I'll probably add edit styling, because I do want box shadow color to look like gray 40. The same we are following all over the this app. And border styles, I'll choose gray 40 as well. So now it is nice group focus. That's it. And I need to add a custom workflow, that whenever this icon gets click, show an element that is group focus. That's it. And inside the group focus, I think I would like to have one multi-line input. And I'll detach the style and font. I think I'll keep it like 400. And text, yeah, the black one. And for the background color, I think I would like to choose some primary, I think light shade of some like a sticky note, something like that. So probably I'll choose a lighter green. this screen. No, that's not a sticky color. Let's find something which looks good and little. Let's go to yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna go over yellow. This one. Yeah, this looks quite good. And I think placeholder color for text, I would choose the text, the parent. Sorry, the inter. Sorry, the inter font with the same text font color, which we are following through the app. I think for this one, I'll increase the font size to 500, and I like this alert 30 kind of color, and that is like this. Yep, perfect. For pairing, I think do I need a pairing? I don't think so. I need any pairing, but still I'll try to keep like six, and six. Yep, like this. And I think let's add roundness the way we are following at the group level, that is 8. So I'll choose 8 here so that it's look a little sharper, and yep, 8. And this one I think yeah, I think I don't know if I need to, I don't know if this here. Yep, I think I'm happy with it. Now user can add whatever they want. Now I need to add a database for notes. I'll create a note data type, and that will have table, which table it is. Uh, that's it. And then text, which is going to store our text value from multi-line input. That's it. I don't think so I need anything, but yes, I think that's it. I don't need anything, and I will say whenever an element got changed, so value and an input, sorry, an inputs value is changed. That is multi-line inputs value, and whenever it gets changed, create. I would say I don't want to create a new thing always. So what I'll do, because I think I would like to store this value, and then probably user can edit it, and then the value remains as is. So it should be like make changes to thing. Thing to change would be to a search for, and that will be notes. Node equal to table equal to. Then we need to pass the value also, and this is going to be a table. That's it. So it will be that type of content table, data source, parent groups table, and then let's click. Let's go to the workflows, search for nodes. It is going to be parent groups table, and then first item, and I would say text equal to this multi-line inputs value. And the interesting thing is we can always store this value at this custom states. But every time the page got refreshed, and I don't think so we are able to keep that value intact. So we need to find a way. I don't think so. Creating a new data type for node is viable. I think let's create one inside the table. I think let's create a node. and then create text. That'll be like super easy and convenient. Yep, that's it. Node and text. Node text. Let's keep the data and type name, and then probably this value change. I'll just say parent group table so that it won't uh, do any no text display value. That's it. It always do changes, and that's it. Okay, so this is done, and I think I would like to add one more workflow with it. And then I'll simply do one thing. I'll go to new and I'll go to web reusable, and I will say drop down drop down table. And so this is drop down table is from home page. I would say home, so that I can remember that the drop down table is from home, and I'll copy it from styling database, and that's it. Now for this icon, I think I'll choose three dots, three vertical dots. I think this one. And for color, I think I would like to keep as text, a little dark or probably a grayish. This one, this one is fine. And, and I think I kind of like it, and that's it. So whenever this gets click, the group focus will appear. Alright, and then this appears. We'll redesign this a bit. I think I would want a menu kind of stuff. So I would say this is going to table. Okay, let's stick to table because I want to delete or maybe manage table, maybe edit table, something like that, right? So let's add maximum width, that is I think 200, and for height I think I want it is fine with me. It's look good. And now I would say column. Okay, now I'll add a group inside it. That's now I'll tell you a very important thing for adding group focus. Now you see, if there's a group focus, right, we can't add a workflow directly at the group focus. Let's see if we find value input. Let's say general elements, custom input. I can't find it, right. New and input value is change. So there is no, so there, so you can't do any changes through group focus level, right? You have to have something so that you can click it. So let's add a group that is going to be parent group, like group name for this, and I'll remove the height. It should be fixed enough, and around I'll keep it to it. That's it's there. I'll use padding for sure. I think I'll use 20, 12 from the left. Yep, and 12 from the right, and 12 from the top, and 12 from the bottom. And then I would say, I think I would add option sets here, and that says option fixed option sets for drop down table. That's it. I'll create edit, and I'll create delete. That's it. I think that's it for now. If I need anything later, probably I'll add it. For now, I think I'll choose this one. I'll add a repeating group here, and and I'll say this is going to be drop down table or table. Row is going to be name say 20. That's none, and that's this, and I'll remove this one. I'll just keep it like 20. That's it. I don't want this. I'll keep this 20 also. That's it. Uh, pull one text element here, and I would say parent custom display. That's it. And I'll also add a padding here so that it will be nice when we'll add some hover effect here. I'd say 3 and 3, and then probably roundness to 8. I'll add a condition here whenever this text is hovered. Background style should be flat color. Background color should be, I would say, 30, gray 30. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine with me. Let's see how it looks. So that's it. I think that's it. I don't think so. I need to do any further changes. So this clicks show group focus. Okay, and when this, I think I would like to add a workflow here when text current cell is added and current cell is say delete. Then I would like to say delete a thing that is going to be. I think that is going to be that's table, right? So we are going to delete that table and warning toast say table removed from the database successfully. That's it. And I'll go to the design. I'll go to home. Now this is the user environment, but I'll delete this one. I'll say sticky. Yeah, I put it. I'll add it here, and then I'll add drop down table. I'll add it here that as well. Now that's I think data source is going to be so I want to give this is table and I would say table parent groups table. That's it. And for layout, I say this one. For this one, I would say this one. And I think I need to give sticky notes. That's parent group table as well. So now they are connected to database also. And let's see how it looks, how they behave. Fantastic. I think I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this, and I can see, I can choose this data. This table is to manage blah blah blah, right? And I just hide it, right? I'll click it, it's there, and when I click on this, it's nice. Hover effect also. That's the way I wanted. That's the way I wanted. And that's the table, right? I think I like this kind of design. Let's see. I'll delete this one. Table removed from database successfully, and that's it. And if I'll change it, I'll see first how it's appearing in the database. We see the table tab, and see this table is to manage blah blah blah. We'll try to change it also. This table is to manage projects effectively and streamline the process. And then I'll try to say make sure make sure to follow the process. That's it. And see. Let change. Let's refresh the data. Yep, that's it. It's perfectly changing and then it's doing well. So we are happy with that our setup. I think that's it in this tutorial. Oh, sorry, that's it in this video. Please do like it, do subscribe it, and do the comment also, and do reach out, spread the word, and let's follow. In next table we try to click on this, and when we edit, then also we go to a table, so we try to set up a table now.